In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get 4 MTC coin airdrop for free, which is approximately around $2, I guess. So it's just a simple process. Once you register, you don't need referrals to get your airdrop to your wallet. You just need to register and perform some tasks, and that's all. So before we start this video, please, I would like you to hit the subscribe button. So once you hit the subscribe button, let's get into the video. So first of all, you open up your Telegram. I don't know if you're in my channel, but if you are in my channel, you go over to my latest post and you click this link over here. Then you start up. So first of all, you have to download the Minati Bot app. So download the app. So I have it installed already, so I won't be downloading it again. So just click on downloaded and reviewed. Then this is a Twitter task. You have to follow at Minati. So first of all, let me switch my Twitter account. So to do that, let me just click on the follow Twitter button. It's going to take you directly to their page. Then you click on follow. Then you come back here and click on send name after following. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you for your username. So let me write my own username. So to check your username, just click this icon over here. Once you click it, to show your name there. So I'm going to type in my username. You're not going to put at the beginning. So then you send it over to the bot. So I noticed most of you in my Telegram channel have this issue of invalid Twitter username. The reason why is that some accounts with numbers are like bots accounts. What I mean by bot is fake accounts. So people don't usually like them. They think you want to you want to cheat on the system to get more rewards. So we'll be changing the profile username so we can have access to the bot. So you just click on the icon there. You click on this place over here. Sorry. Click on the profile. Then you click on edit. I think you should find your username. Okay, it's not here. Um it will be in settings, and click here. Settings and privacy. Then you click on your account. Then you click your account information. Then you can see the username at the top. Click on it. So I'm going to be editing my own to this. Probably something like this. So done. So it has been updated. You see it has been updated over here. Now let's try it again. You see it's going to work. So as I said earlier, do not add art to it. So send it over to the bot. And it's going to proceed. So verified. So you're going to follow them on Instagram also. So just click on it. And you can share to your story also. It's optional, but I will just follow them, and that's all. So I'm a follower already, so let's just skip that. Then you send username after following. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Instagram account if you have one. So I don't really have one. So this is my username. So I'll just copy it out. Then input it without putting at. Then you send it to the bot. So verified. So the next step now is to visit their page on CoinMarketCap and add this to your watch list. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So to visit CoinMarketCap, let's click on it and click open. But I would like to use my Chrome browser for it. So let's open it Chrome browser. I think that's better. because I'm also going to be registering a new account. So for those that don't have a coin market cap account, how it is being done. So let it load up. So what you're going to do now is to click this button right here, the three lines at the top. Once you click on it, it's going to bring out the drop down of, yeah, exactly like this. So I already have an account, so let me log out and create a new one. So you're going to see this create an account. Create an account. I'll be using my Google. So continue with Google. Let me just select a random account. Then continue. So now we have registered our coin market cap account. So now if you remember, um the bot was asking us for our coin market cap username, user ID, this one over here. So to get the user ID, you click on that same three lines I told you to click that time. The same three lines. Once you click on it, then you click on settings, you click your profile, yeah, right there. So you're going to set your display name. I'll set mine to this, and my username. I don't want a random username, so the bot might want to reject it. So let me set this also. I think this is good. Then you click on save. So your personal information has been updated. Now this is the username I use. Whatever you type here is your username. So that is what I'll be sending to the bot for verification. So one more thing before you proceed, just help, just they said we should add it to your watch list. So copy the link. Let me open it in my browser. So to add it to your watch list, it's very simple. Just click on this icon over here. This one. Very easy. So once you click on it, it's going to automatically add to your watch list. That's just what they want you to do for them. Then come over to the bot and type in your the stuff we set up, then the username I told you earlier. So this is it. Exactly. So it said verified. Now this send your BEP20 address for rewards. So if you want to send this your BEP20, I would advise you to use the Trust Wallet app. That's more easier. This one over here, Trust Wallet. So if you don't have one, download it from Play Store or App Store and create a new account. So okay, I've used this account already, so I'll move to a new one. Let me move to an empty one, main wallet. So from here, you're just going to click on fund at the top here. Click on it. Then you click on receive from another wallet. Then you click on, you see BNB over here, and you click on this copy button, because the reason why you are copying the BNB address is because the coin is listed on the BNB chain, and they said BEP20. So BEP20 is also on BNB chain, BNB smart chain. Then you click on the send BEP20 address, and you put in your address there. So and that's all. Then I'll advise you also to join this group. You click on the contact support, you join the group. So once you joined, and these are even some rewards they sent to some people yesterday just for registering. So back, then click on complete process, and that's all. So you said congratulations, you have successfully completed all steps. Your reward for MNTC, your referral link. To be eligible for rewards, please make sure you have joined our official community. As I said earlier, you must join their community to secure your rewards. They might skip you if you don't. So that's all. So you just have to wait max of a week. Within let me say around 3 to 7 days, your reward should be a drop to your wallet. So and conversion. Some of you might want to ask me, how do you convert it and some stuff like that. So first, to convert it, you just come over to this wallet. For instance, let's say hold on, hold on. Let's say you click on manage crypto, click on add, then when you click on add, you select the BNB chain, then you get the contract address. I think the contract address is so okay. Let's go back to the their coin market cap. There we can find the contract address. So once you scroll down, right from Minati coin page, once you scroll down, you click over here. This one, this is the contract address. Contract. So you click on copy. Then you open up your Trust Wallet. I'm teaching you this in case you are trying to access your to check your tokens balance in case of just send it. So continuation from where you stop, you click on paste, and automatically all these details will appear, which is the name, the symbol, and the decimal. Then you click on import. So it has been imported successfully. Now you can see over here my balance is 0.00 Minati. That's because they have not sent me my reward for registering, which they will do in some days. So just scroll down here, just keep checking your wallet to know if they have sent you the token. So there are some issues with converting the token to USDT. So I'm going to be helping few people to convert their token. So all you just have to do is make sure you're in my channel and join my discussion group. Once you join my discussion group and you tag me, or you just comment, I want to sell my MNTC, I'm going to help you convert it. So, and that's all. Please don't forget to like this video. Thank you.